My name is Rupak, a current PGDM student from Sparsh Global Business School. Our college has provided so many opportunities in self and professional development. Training Samagam is one of those most impactful events. It is a 5-day training event which is guided by top professional leaders like Mr. Praveen Chairawat, Mr. Pavan, and Mr. Pinaki Agarwal. Through these sessions, I have known by inner strengths, strengthened my communications, and learned how to make corporate decision making. Through this, I can grow my professional mindset. Overall, this training Samgam has contributed so much in my career development and also self-development. With these training sessions, I'm looking forward to my future building in professional and also in self-development. Thank you, Spurs.